I'm Laurel Guy, and today we're visiting a fantastic Fall Creek duplex. I love it. It is so cute. 1006 and a half North Cayuga Street has two one-bedroom apartments with a solid rental history. It's ideal for Airbnb. Inside, it feels bigger than it looks. It's got soul and real character with French doors, refinished hardwood floors, and original woodwork. Two front porches up and down and a covered side entry to the second floor apartment. There have been some updates, including bamboo floors, newer appliances in the kitchen, and a tile bath. Plus, there's bonus space upstairs. There's a Parisian-style garret, the perfect place to write your novel, and a sweet back porch. 1006 and a half North Cayuga Street has been well maintained. Car is optional. Walk everywhere. This is the ideal income property.